What is up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Dave Steals the Show. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, I've been using a bunch of phones over the last few months. I've been very excited about this for a couple of reasons. One is their reimagined camera, which I'm excited to put through its paces. And two is the stereo speakers. Pretty much, other than that, if you have a Galaxy S8 Plus, you're probably just gonna get around the same thing. So I'm not sure if it's considered a true upgrade. If you're coming from an S6 or an S7, then yes, I'd probably recommend this upgrade, but I'm really not gonna know until I've spent about a week with it, which I'm excited to do this week. So let's get inside this box and let's see what's going on. Inside this box is just some plastic, some paperwork, and the actual Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And this is the box itself, the typical royal blue lettering from Samsung. They had the same lettering on the S8 Plus and the Note 8, which I got back in, what, November now? It's crazy how time flies. But this is their S line of phones. Let's take it out of the sleeve and let's see what is inside. So we open the box and we're greeted with a booklet that contains all the pamphlets inside, and I'm sure the SIM card removal tool. And under that is the actual phone itself. A slab of black glass. Typical, but I gotta tell you, holding this in my hand, wow, is pretty impressive. Now I can feel the weight difference between this and my Note 8 right away. And I know it's not that big of a difference, but I can tell you, just holding this, I think Samsung really nailed the size here when it comes to holding it in your hand. I think they got the width correct. Because this feels really good in the hand, and so does the Note 8. But I think this is a little slimmer, so I think it feels really good. You can see the difference on the back side. They have the dual camera lenses, which are both optically stabilized, and right under it they moved that fingerprint reader to a more easily accessible location. The cameras are right next to the flash. You can see that there. And other than that, it looks like an S8 Plus. I mean, in all other features, you have the SIM card tray on the top right here. You have on the bottom, they decided to keep that headphone jack, which I really appreciate. It's a USB-C charging cable, and they have the speaker on the bottom and a dual speaker on the top. So this is a true dual speaker system, so I'm excited to hear what that sounds like. And let's see what else is in this box. So I'm going to put the phone aside for a second, open this up. We have the fast charging brick. Let's see if I can get this out. And this phone also does support wireless charging, so if you bought a wireless charger for a previous Samsung phone or any Qi wireless charger, this is going to work on that. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter in case you want to transfer files or photos or whatever it is from one phone to another. Inside this extra little flap, we have their AKG tuned headphones. I haven't taken a listen to these yet, but let's see what those sound like. USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and an extra set of earbuds. That is all that comes in this box. So I'm going to put that aside. I am very excited to start using this phone. I'm going to set it up, use it for a while, and then get back to you guys and let you know my first impressions. But as of right now, just holding it in my hand and feeling. I mean, this feels rock solid, so I'm excited to use it. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you know when this next video drops, because you're gonna wanna see what I have to say about this phone. Thank you for staying with me for another episode, and I'll see you all next week.